Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to do an incline fan fold. To begin, I'm going to lay my shirt out flat and smooth out some of the wrinkles. And I'm going to fold my shirt in half. For this fan fold, I'm going to leave my shirt folded in half. I'm going to take a washable marker with a piece of kite string wrapped around it, put my finger where I'd like the middle of my fan fold to be, and draw an arc. The first arc I drew wasn't quite right, so I just drew a second one. I'm going to ignore the first line that I drew and fan fold on the second one. I'm just beginning my fan folds, going all the way around, and after I smooth out my folds, I'm going to fan fold the rest of the shirt and tie it all up with some kite string. My setup for an incline die is I have a tub that I've put a piece of guttering that I've cut to size down in the tub, left one end hanging over the tub, which is making it inclined. I put my shirt that is folded down in the guttering and apply the die. For this shirt, I'm going to use some Dharma colors. I'm beginning at the very top with golden yellow, followed by sapphire blue, forest green, alpine blue, and ending with new emerald green. After I apply my dye, I'm going to add soda ash and ice to the top. I came back after all the ice had melted and checked my shirt, and it looked like the dye had gone all the way through my shirt the way I wanted it to, so I just left it alone and let it continue to process. I let my shirt process for at least 24 to 36 hours after all the ice had melted. Alright, this is what our shirt looks like after it's all washed and dry. Thank you all for watching.